Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Namaskar.
Good morning. Namaskar.
Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, today, why we are here? Because we want to celebrate or we want to inform you that April 28th will be a World Day for Safety and Health at Work. So meaning April 28th is tomorrow, which is Friday. So today, 27, we want to celebrate this because we are a part of safety and health at work. Not by safety, no. It is about all of us working on the construction. So first, why you are here? Because you need to work. But you need to be safe also. Okay? The benefit of working safely will be earning money and sending money to your family. Okay? So meaning safety is about family. So everyday safety telling to you that you need to work safely. Wear your safety glass. Wear your gloves. Because we care for you and we don't want that you will be injured. That is why safety officers are coming to you here. Wear your PPE. Okay? Work safely. Every day we are telling this because safety is for our family. Okay? Second thing, with regards for 4 pillars of no life at risk. They have 4 pillars of no life at risk. First is shared vigilance, meaning you need to check yourself, or if you found somebody doing unsafe, you need to stop him. Hey, my friend, rise up. You are unsafe. Please don't do that. Okay? You need to correct. After that, the 9 life-saving rules, you can see in our board. One there is working at heights, 100% tayo. So you must be follow that one. Driving, using cell phone while driving is a violation also. Okay, after that, stop work. You are authorized to stop the work if it is unsafe. Don't forget for that. The company are authorizing you to stop any work if it is unsafe, especially imminent danger to life and health. Number 3, incident reporting. Okay, you need to share or report, and after that, if they have accident or incident, we need to learn. Okay? Like somebody got injured in the hand without gloves. So we need to learn. When you're working, you need to wear gloves. So simple as that. Safety is as simple as ABC. Always be careful.